This is a video on integrating powers of tangent and secant. We're asked to integrate the secant of x times the tangent cubed of x dx. And our strategy here is we can pull out a secant of x tangent of x to be reserved for our du. And we'll be left with the tangent squared of x, as we'll see next. So we're left with the secant of x times tangent of x times the tangent squared of x dx. Our next step is to realize a trig identity to help us turn this tangent into a secant. And the trig identity is the tangent squared of x is equal to the secant squared of x minus 1. We want that because if du is secant of x tangent of x dx, then u is secant of x. So we want to make sure we don't have tangents, but we have secants. So we use that, and we get the tangent squared of x was our secant squared of x minus 1, and we're left with the secant of x tangent of x dx. Now I'm ready for my u substitution. We have u equals secant of x, and du equals secant of x tangent of x dx. And I substitute it in, and I end up with the integral of u squared minus 1 du. That's an easy integral. I get 1/3 u cubed minus u plus c. And then finally, I just resubstitute. We have u is secant of x, so I plug that into our u's. And I get my final answer, which is 1/3 times the secant cubed of x minus the secant of x plus c. And I'm done with the problem.